8 days after sigmoid resection for acute diverticulitis, a 61-year-old man has left-sided flank pain. He has been on bowel rest since admission. Other than multiple admissions for alcohol withdrawal, he has no history of serious illness. Current medications include intravenous cefepime and morphine. His temperature is 36.9 degrees Celsius, 98.4 degrees Fahrenheit. Pulse is 89 per minute, and blood pressure is 118/75 mmHg. Abdominal examination shows a well-healing incision with minimal serous drainage. Examination of the skin shows scattered spider angiomas, a large hematoma on the left flank, and numerous bruises over the abdomen and extremities. The patient has pain when his left hip is extended. Laboratory studies show hemoglobin 8.4 g/dl, mean corpuscular volume 102 μm3, leukocyte count 8200/mm3, platelet count 170,000/mm3, serum bleeding time 4 minutes, n equals 2 to 7, prothrombin time 26 seconds, partial thromboplastin time activated 39 seconds. Which of the following is the most likely underlying cause of this patient's current symptom?
It is increased, which means it has to be something from the 1970s, so that's 10, 9, 7, and 2. So we've got 7 here. Yep, should be this. Yeah.